traditionally we would have seen the majority of departments with some complement of an internal team, which would have been dictated by the size and scale of their overall organization. And then they would use third parties to supplement in a particular jurisdiction or in a particular subject matter area where they didn't have the capability within the tax department at large. But given the environment that we're in today, in this incredible pressure on, one, where do I get my talent from? Two, how do I digitally upskill that talent, keep them abreast of sort of the digital skill set that they need in order to operate efficiently in this environment, keep them abreast of all of the law changes that are happening in the world, both on the direct and indirect side, and what impacts their organization. And then how do they also do all of this with the intense pressure from a cost perspective? You see SG&A getting hammered, SG&A savings being hammered at the CFO level, and that then trickles down to the tax organization. How do you design a tax operating model that allows you to manage everything you need to do from a core compliance, both the provision and tax return filing perspective, strategically thinking about how the tax department is structured and driving savings both from an EPS and a cash perspective, and then keeping up to date with all of the regulatory changes that are out there. Really, really challenging to do. And so companies are now, I think, more frequently looking at their operating model saying, do I have the right mix? Do I have the right structure to deliver based on the strategic priorities of my organization?
And Chris, you raised an important point when you discussed there's direct tax, there's indirect tax. Depending on your organization, property tax might live in the tax department, it might live somewhere else. So this operating model decision might be different based on the specific function or the specific type of tax that's being discussed, because a lot of it depends upon the value that you think your organization can drive from that topical area, and then the actual people, the resources and skills you have within your organization. So finding the right size to fit your company will be a very custom decision based on the resources you have available to you.